Can cats recognize themselves in a mirror? Cats have long been known for their mysterious and elusive nature. They possess an air of independence and confidence that captivates the hearts of many animal lovers. One fascinating aspect of their behavior is their interaction with mirrors. Do cats recognize themselves when they look at their reflection? Let's delve into this intriguing question and explore what scientific research tells us about feline self-recognition. Mirror self-recognition is considered a cognitively complex ability found in only a few species, including primates, elephants, dolphins, and some birds. It involves recognizing oneself in a mirror as an individual entity separate from others. The most common test to determine whether an animal can recognize itself in a mirror is the Mirror Self-Recognition Test, MSR. In the MSR test, a mark is placed on an animal's body in a location that they cannot see without the use of a mirror. If the animal recognizes itself in the mirror, it will attempt to investigate or remove the mark. This behavior suggests that the animal understands that the reflection in the mirror is, in fact, its own image. However, when it comes to cats, the results of MSR tests have been inconclusive. While some studies suggest that cats can recognize themselves in a mirror, others contradict this notion. One reason for the conflicting results might be the different methodologies used and the limitations of the test itself. In a study conducted by researchers at the University of Tokyo, domestic cats were presented with their reflection in a mirror. They observed that the cats showed social behaviors towards the mirror image, such as rubbing their bodies against it or arching their backs. These behaviors are typically displayed when a cat encounters another cat as a form of territorial marking or social interaction. Based on these observations, the researchers concluded that cats can indeed recognize themselves in a mirror. On the other hand, a study conducted at the University of Padua in Italy found that cats show signs of not recognizing themselves in the mirror. The researchers placed a mark on the cats' foreheads and observed their reactions when they saw their reflection. The cats did not show any interest or attempt to investigate the mark, leading the researchers to suggest that cats lack self-recognition abilities. So, why do some cats display social behavior towards their reflection, while others seem indifferent? One possible explanation lies in the individual cat's personality and experiences. Cats are known to be highly individualistic, and their behavior can vary widely. Some cats may view their reflection as a potential rival or threat, triggering defensive or territorial responses. Others may simply be uninterested or unaffected by the presence of a mirror. Another factor to consider is the cat's exposure to mirrors. Cats that have been frequently exposed to mirrors from a young age may be more likely to recognize themselves in the reflection. Regular exposure to mirrors can help familiarize them with their own appearance, making them more likely to react to it as if it were another cat. It's worth noting that even if cats do not recognize themselves in a mirror, it doesn't necessarily mean they lack self-awareness or intelligence. Cats possess a multitude of other cognitive abilities that have been studied extensively, such as problem-solving skills, memory, and social cognition. In conclusion, the question of whether cats can recognize themselves in a mirror remains a subject of debate and further research. While some studies support the idea that cats have self-recognition abilities, others suggest the opposite. The conflicting results may be due to variations in individual cats' behavior, experiences, and the limitations of the MSR test. Whether or not cats can truly recognize themselves in a mirror, their enigmatic and independent nature continues to captivate us, reminding us that their true essence may remain a